WebSockets. Building real-time magic in your Flutter apps. Imagine your Flutter app transformed. Data flows freely, updates happen instantly, and interactions feel natural. This real-time magic is unlocked by WebSockets, a powerful technology that breathes life into web and mobile applications. But what are they, and how can you leverage them in your Flutter projects? Let's dive in and explore. WebSockets Demystified. Think of WebSockets as dedicated highways where data flows continuously, unlike the stop-and-go nature of traditional HTTP requests. This persistent two-way connection eliminates the need for constant refreshing, making it ideal for scenarios where instant updates are crucial. 1. Chat and messaging. Unleash lightning-fast conversations with near-instantaneous message delivery, eliminating frustrating lags and delays. 2. Live data visualization. Stock prices, sensor readings, or game scores. Watch them come alive in real time, reacting dynamically to every change. 3. Collaborative editing. Edit documents, spreadsheets, or whiteboards simultaneously with others, seeing updates reflected instantly across all devices. 4. Gaming and simulations. Create immersive experiences with low latency and smooth data synchronization for truly engaging gameplay. Bringing the magic to life. WebSockets in Flutter. Flutter's rich ecosystem embraces WebSockets wholeheartedly. Here are some popular libraries to get you started. 1. Web_socket_channel. Versatile library offering connection management, event handling, and message encoding, decoding. 2. Flutter_WebSockets. User-friendly option with similar features, great for quick integration. 3. Phoenix_channel. Specialized library built on WebSockets, ideal for complex real-time applications. Step-by-step implementation. 1. Choose your library. Consider your project's complexity and desired features when selecting a library. 2. Add the dependency. Add the chosen library to your PubSpec. YAML file and run Flutter pub-get. 3. Establish the connection. Use the library's functions to connect to your WebSocket server. 4. Handle incoming messages. Listen to the stream returned by the library's connect function to receive messages from the server. 5. Send messages. Use the library's sync to send messages to the server. 6. Close the connection. When finished, remember to close the connection properly using the library's provided methods. Mastering the magic. Tips for success. 1. Choose the right library. Consider ease of use, feature set, and community support when selecting a library. 2. Prioritize security. Secure your connection with TLS, SSL encryption and proper authentication mechanisms. 3. Optimize performance. Minimize message size and optimize data encoding, decoding for efficient communication. 4. Test thoroughly. Ensure your implementation functions as expected in various network conditions and device configurations. Beyond the basics. Advanced techniques. 1. Authentication and authorization. Implement robust mechanisms to control access and ensure only authorized users can connect and send messages. 2. Error handling and recovery. Gracefully handle errors like connection drops and unexpected messages to maintain app stability. 3. Scalability and performance optimization. Optimize your implementation for large-scale deployments and high-traffic scenarios. 4. Custom message encoding, decoding. Tailor message formats to your specific data needs for increased efficiency and flexibility. Real-world applications of WebSockets, where magic meets reality. 1. Stock trading app. Imagine a stock trading app where prices update instantly, reflecting the ever-changing market. 1. WebSockets eliminate the need for constant refreshes, ensuring users have real-time access to crucial information for informed trading decisions.